Most West Coast swing dancers talk about connection through the arms, but we believe that your footwork is a contributing factor to whether or not you're connected to your partner, and that's what we're going to cover today. At the end of the video, I'm going to share an awesome video we did called The Complete Guide to Connection, which will help fill in the blanks everywhere in your dancing. Megan?
Sure.
So we also have a theory that a lot of the connection comes through the feet, because even if I do this, and I walk back for 2 steps, but I don't do it smoothly in a way that my partner can attend to,
that connection goes away.
It becomes almost impossible to connect. So our theory is that a lot of this connection comes through the ability to move or roll through our feet. So what we mean by rolling through our foot is that my weight is tracking from the toe to the ball to the heel, and then the toe to the ball to the heel. We have another whole footwork video that we'll link up here, where we talk about that. But the drill is basically to move forward and back, moving your foot ahead of your body, and then letting your weight roll into that. Moving your foot and letting your weight move into that. And if that's tracked out, right? If I track out and the foot's ready, then when I move, Megan can absorb that. Notice I moved quick. She was totally able to move. If I don't get that ready and I step, she doesn't have the ability. But if we're both tracking our feet, then she has the ability to move as quickly or as slowly as we need to. Does that make sense? If you want to learn everything about connection in West Coast swing, including a type of connection that's not often spoken about, but a lot of high-level people use, you'll want to watch our complete guide to connection right here. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other cool videos like this. We'll see you on the dance floor.